Vintage Car Show website offers several things for the car lover: a car show schedule magazine, a website with plenty of automobile-related articles, and a database of over 100,000 pictures through which to browse. The website also offers several nationwide automotive databases, and there you can locate and list your automotive-related company and list your local car show. There's also a television web series that is in the works. Be sure to visit the Vintage Car Show website to watch all the clips from the car shows we're going to be attending during the 2015 season. Visit thevintagecarshow.com. Better yet, just grab the family or go to a car show yourself. It's a great way to spend the day.